Hi everyone, welcome to my demo on web development assignment. So the screen which you're seeing is my homepage for my movie app, and it is actually located in my localhost 3000 port number. So as you can see in the homepage, the movie list is rendered from the Discover endpoint of the TMDB API. So herein the movie cards along with the movie image and some details like the release date and the uh, rating is provided along with the favorite button and a more info session. So once I click on the favorite button uh, and I go back to the favorite section, you can see that the movies which I clicked as favorite is added to my favorite section. I can also delete from the favorite section. Also, I can edit my reviews or add in reviews to the movie details. So I'm going to show a demonstration on the same. I'm giving rating as good and then I'm giving submit. And once it is done, I'll get a pop-up saying that the review has been submitted. Okay, so the review is being submitted right now. Now once I click reset, it goes back to the favorite movie page. Now I clicking the more info detail which shows the movie details. So here you can see a more elaborated or more number of images of the movie is listed, and we can scroll down to see the more images. Also, an overview of the image along with the name and title and other properties are listed down. So herein I have added a session on recommended movies, which displays the recommended movies for this particular ID, that is 414906 of the movie. So when I click in the recommended, it goes to the recommended 414906. So and brings in the recommended movies from the TMDB database or endpoint. Uh, and displays the movie list or the recommended movie list. Again, if I go back to the more info page, I've also added a similar movies page, which brings in the similar movies of that particular ID or the movie ID and brings in the similar movies list from the similar TMDB endpoint. And again, in the upcoming page, the upcoming movies from the TMDB upcoming endpoint uh, displayed. Again, the top rated movies. So this is the top rated movies from the TMDB endpoint. As I said, favorites list down the favorite movies that I have pressed. Uh, Again, in popular, from the TMDB popular movies, I get the popular movies from the TMDB site and displays it. Now I have the now playing movies. Currently, the movies that are playing now will be displayed and it will be rendered from the now playing endpoint of the TMDB endpoint. I've also added a filter function, which is basically a language filtering. So, say for example, if I search for French language and if I click on the French language, it displays only the movies that is there in the there under the language French. Now, if I want to say, for example, sort the movies, so I've also added the sort functionality. Say, for example, I clicked on ascending sort, it displays in ascending sort, and now when I move into descending, it displays in descending order. So this is how the sorting functionality works in. Sorry. So now moving back to the people page. So this for this I have created another people card with the name and the rating details. So the people image is also brought in. So this is a page which displays the popular people from the TMDB endpoint. Now I have the TV card. So in this TV site header, the TV details like the release date, the rating, and more info of a particular TV is also displayed. So this is actually the list of TVs from the Discover TV endpoint of the TMDB database. And then now if I click on the more info button, I can see more information related to that particular movie. And I am displaying over here. So this is with respect to the TV. Now coming back to pagination. So in every page I have added pagination. So if you click on the button, it says loading, and once the rendering is done, it displays the second set list of movies that will be displayed under page 2. So this is the page 2 movies. So similarly, page 3 and any number of movies, how much is rendered from the TMDB. Similarly, I can go back to the page 1, which displays the initial set of movies. So now, as you can see, I have also added a structured footer for my TMDB site. So it actually displays that it is actually created by React, and it is actually a link which goes to the React basic page, and then by Misha Abraham and a GitHub link of mine where the code is published. Now, going back to the server caching. Um, Here all the details are caches are stored, as you can see. So say for example, movie recommend 1 comma 508946. So this is like a particular movie and the recommendations for that particular movie, and the one actually represent the page number of that particular movie. So recently, again, say for example, TV details. So TV details and TV details of a particular ID. Then now playing, similarly it have a page number, so the page number is passed along. So this is how the server state caching works in. Now with respect to the storybook, so if I comes back in, you can see I've added a people card storybook. So this is like the default one, and this is the exception. Now in TV card I have added the default one as well as the exception. Under the TV page, I have also added the details. So I'm adding the details storybook as well. The storybook is also up to date. So this is with respect to my assignment. Thanks for watching. Bye.